Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to use and earn points on Sephora. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Sephora account, which of course I have done right here. Now I'd like you to know that Sephora is a French multinational retailer of personal care and beauty products with nearly 340 brands along with its own private label called the Sephora Collection. Now, this label includes beauty products such as cosmetics, skincare, fragrance, um, nail color, beauty tools, body lotions, and hair care. So now that we know a bit of what Sephora is about, let's quickly hop into today's stack, which is how to earn and use points on Sephora. So let's see how we can earn points and use them in Sephora. So from this homepage, head over to the top right corner of the screen where you have this hi mark at your name and you have all of this. So you have this extended menu that says beauty preferences, beauty insider summary, rewards bazaar, and beauty insider challenges. So go ahead and click on rewards bazaar. It says April Watts are here, yay! And you have free shipping on all. And scroll all the way down, you have this in the light, in the spotlight, Laura Mercier, Paris, Laura Mercier, Paris, New York. You have this confidence in your own skin. So availability. So all of these are points that are available for the month. So I'm just going all the way down. So just like down. So all of this are points that you can definitely use and earn. So 100 points. So after purchasing this, that's a quick look, then you can now add to basket for standard shipping. If you're eligible for this, then just go ahead and click on this and you'll be able to add this to basket and use this. So purchase this and earn 100 points. So this makeover forever, purchase this and earn 100 points. So there are a lot of things that you can use. So here are just points. You have products that you can purchase to earn 100 points. And here are products that you can purchase to earn 250 to 499 points. And here are products that you can purchase and 500 to 479 points. And these are categories for 750 to 2,999 points. And so on and so forth. So you see, of course, the products that are sold out, you see sold out options for there. But then the ones that are sold out, you can just click on that add to basket for standard shipping if you are eligible for that. Now, I am not eligible for that because I have to spend up to $350 to reach the VIP status. So I have to reach this VIP status for me to be able to earn points, for all of these to be available for me. So this is pretty much how you can earn and use the points. So after adding to basket and ending the points, if you want to use the points, just go ahead and select any product that you want to buy after earning your points. And then, so this is a product that is already in my basket. So open up any product and it's going to take you to the product details page and click on add to basket. So this is where you can get your basket. So let's say I want to ship this product with the points available. So go ahead and click on check out shipped items. Okay. And that's going to take you here. So over here we have this add promo or reward code. So you can click on this to add your promo or reward code if you have that. So I'm going to go all the way backwards because this is something that I just want to show you. From my basket, of course. Clicking right into my basket. And clicking on that product. Still loading up. So over there, I'm gonna have to click on add to basket. This has already added to basket, I presume. And check out shipped items. Check out shipped items again. So here you go. So go over here and click on this add promo or reward code. So there are different ways to go about it. So click on that and you'll be able to add your code for your points if you have points. So use that to check out. So that's pretty much the process. That's how you can earn and use points on Sephora. I can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.